Missed a habit day? It's easy to feel down when you miss a day in your habit streak. You might feel like all your hard work has gone to waste, and it can be tempting to just give up. But remember, setbacks are a natural part of any journey. They don't define your progress, how you respond to them does. Don't stress, it happens to everyone. Even the most disciplined people miss a day or two. The important thing is not to let a small setback turn into a full-blown failure. Laugh it off, share your experience with friends, and get back on track. You're not alone in this journey. Here's how you can bounce back quickly and keep moving forward. First, acknowledge the setback without judgment. It's just a bump in the road, not the end of the journey. Next, revisit your goals and remind yourself why you started. Sometimes a little reflection can reignite your motivation. The key is to focus on progress, not perfection. Perfection is an illusion that can paralyze you. Instead, celebrate the small wins and the progress you've made so far. Each step forward, no matter how small, is a victory. Keep your eyes on the bigger picture and remember that every effort counts. Remember, one missed day doesn't erase all your progress. Think of your habit-building journey as a marathon, not a sprint. Missing a day is like taking a short break during a long run. It doesn't mean you failed, it just means you need to get back up and keep going. Reflect on your achievements and use them as fuel to move forward. Instead of quitting, ask yourself, what triggered the setback? Understanding the root cause can help you prevent it from happening again. Was it a lack of time, motivation, or perhaps an unexpected event? Identifying the trigger allows you to create strategies to overcome similar obstacles in the future. Use that information to adjust your approach. Start small. If your original plan seems overwhelming, break it down into more manageable steps. Set reminders, write down your goals, and keep track of your progress. Small, consistent actions can lead to significant changes over time. If you've missed a few days, restart with one tiny step. Don't try to make up for lost time all at once. Instead, focus on re-establishing the habit with a small, achievable goal. This could be as simple as putting on your running shoes or writing one sentence in your journal. The key is to get back into the routine without overwhelming yourself. For example, if your habit is a 30-minute workout, begin with just 5 minutes. The idea is to lower the barrier to entry so that it's easier to get started. Once you're in motion, you might find it easier to continue for longer. But even if you only do 5 minutes, that's still progress. The goal is to build momentum gradually. Building momentum is more important than going big. Consistency is the secret sauce to habit formation. Small, consistent actions compound over time, leading to significant results. Think of it as stacking small wins. Each small win builds your confidence and reinforces the habit, making it easier to stick with it in the long run. Setbacks are a normal part of growth, not a sign of failure. Every successful person has faced setbacks. What sets them apart is their ability to learn from these experiences and keep moving forward. Embrace setbacks as opportunities to learn and grow. They are not roadblocks, but stepping stones on your path to success. Embrace them, learn from them, and move forward. Reflect on what went wrong, adjust your strategy, and keep going. Surround yourself with supportive people who can encourage you and hold you accountable. Remember, the journey to building lasting habits is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience and persistence are your best allies. For more tips on building resilient habits, check out the full playlist linked in the description. We've curated a collection of videos that dive deeper into strategies for overcoming setbacks, staying motivated, and building habits that stick. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your approach, there's something for everyone. Happy habit building!